Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3 and the Trackhawk. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their engine capabilities to their interior comforts. The X3 is known for its refined driving experience and premium features, while the Trackhawk is celebrated for its incredible horsepower and acceleration. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which SUV might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and driving preferences. When it comes to sheer power, the Trackhawk is a true beast, packing a supercharged V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 707 horsepower. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds. The BMW X3, particularly the M40i model, offers a robust 382 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in a respectable 4.5 seconds. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize everyday agility or track-ready performance. Inside, the BMW X3 offers a refined and luxurious experience, featuring high-quality materials, intuitive infotainment, and a comfortable, driver-focused cockpit. It's designed for premium feel and everyday usability. The Trackhawk, while still well-appointed, leans more towards a performance-oriented interior with supportive seats and a more aggressive aesthetic. Both provide practical cargo space, but the X3 prioritizes elegance and advanced driver assistance, while the Trackhawk focuses on a thrilling driving environment. The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The BMW X3 offers a composed, agile, and comfortable ride, perfect for daily commutes and family trips, with excellent handling. The Trackhawk, on the other hand, provides an incredibly thrilling and visceral experience, dominating the road with its immense power and aggressive stance. Fuel economy is also a significant factor, with the X3 being considerably more efficient. Ultimately, your choice hinges on whether you value luxury and practicality, or raw, unadulterated performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.